do you look so surprised?
제니퍼의 충격 고백에
Because I am too.
킨까지 레밍아웃을 한 상황.
Ian is my surrogate father.
Needed you to hear that Ian Garvey killed my husband.
하지만 더 어색해져 버렸네요.
I have a daughter.
I want to go home.
Her name is Agnes.
그렇게 결국 계속되는 킨의 권유에도 불구하고
He was there after my real father abandoned me.
제니퍼는 이언 체포에 비협조적인 태도를 취하게 되죠.
And get to know one another.
그리고 킨의 기억력으로 이언 가비가 흑막인 걸 알게 된 레딩턴은 이언과 동업하고 있는 또 다른 블랙리스트 모사데크와 만나 이언에게 자신이 원하는 가방을 받으려 하고 있었고
Money distributing my product, protecting my supply lines. A dead man walking? I cut him off.
근데 왜 뜬금없이 얘가 갑자기 레딩턴을 도와주나 싶겠지만 사실 에피소드 도중에 레딩턴이 모사데크 아들을 한번 구해줬었기 때문에 모사데크는 레딩턴에게 호의적으로 대할 수밖에 없었죠.
I'll contact you with a time and place.
한편 그 시각 킨에게 이언의 실체를 들은 제니퍼는 이언을 불현듯 호출하는데
Are you going to kill Reddington?
I don't know who you've been talking to.
Like you killed Tom Keene?
그리고 제니퍼의 물음에 쉽게 답을 못하는 이언. 왜냐하면
So?
Reddington knows too much about both of us.
그런데 이런 비밀스러운 대화를
Meeting's been set. Reddington thinks I'm coming to give him something.
실시간으로 도청하고 있는 FBI 전담반. 그래서 아까 그 강경한 태도의 제니퍼가 킨에게 드디어 마음을 연 건가 싶었지만 알고 보니 킨이 제니퍼 몰래 도청 장치를 달았던 거였죠.
It's a trap. You're meeting with Garvey. If you show up, you'll be killed.
Where'd you get your information?
그러나 제니퍼의 존재를 레딩턴에게 알려주는 게 왠지 꺼려졌던 킨.
I can't tell you.
Then no, I'm not listening.
결국 킨의 경고에도 불구하고 거래가 그대로 진행되고
You get your bag, and this war with Garvey ends.
그리고 킨의 우려대로 마지막 통수를 치려는 이언인데
Sorry, Mr. Reddington, there's been a change.
진짜 개뜬금없이 모사데크를 쏴 죽이는 이언. 그리고 나서 이언과 레딩턴은 재빠르게 자리를 떴죠. 그런데 갑자기 왜 또 이언이 붙잡혀 있는 걸까요?
Hello, Ian. Hope you had a good rest. There's much to discuss.
사실 만남이 있기 전 이언을 납치한 레딩턴은
What the hell is this?
이언이 기절해 있는 동안 얼굴을 본떠서 가면을 만들었고 그리고 체형이 비슷한 부하에게 가면을 씌워서
Mr. Reddington, there's been a change.
뭐 이렇게 된 거였죠.
What's that smell? And mint.
그렇게 레딩턴이 동족 혐오를 하자
What kind of products do you use?
성나가버린 이언은 깽판을 제대로 부려 레딩턴에게서 빠져나오곤
We're closed. Said we're closed.
곧장 제니퍼가 있는 가게로 왔죠.
What is happening, Ian?
하지만 이미 제니퍼 가게에서 잠복하고 있었던 킨.
I'm gonna need time to figure out how to clear my name.
Ian Garvey, FBI, hands in the air.
그러나 당황하지 않고
Hands on the bar.
또 숨겨진 진실로 킨을 흔드는 이언 가비.
You arrest me. That's never gonna happen. How did your husband come by it? And why didn't he tell you what was in it?
Because you killed him before he could.
Wait. All I know is that my entire life he's protected me from you, and it's about time that I started protecting him. I'm your daughter.
Inside.
Jennifer.
That I made it through this ordeal, it's because of Ian. He saved me.
Dembe.
결국 제니퍼 덕에 이언 가비 사망.
In God.
그렇지만 이언에게 가방을 전달받았던 제니퍼가
Of course it's you.
킨에게 가방의 비밀을 알려주게 되고 그리하여 레딩턴이 가장 숨기고 싶어하는 비밀을 알게 된 킨. 그리고 그 비밀은 바로
Those bones in that bag are Raymond Reddington's.
그렇게 세상에서 제일 의문스러운 대머리에 대해 회의를 시작하는 두 사람.
The FBI can trace this Reddington, and I know for a fact that our father died 5 years before that.
The night of the fire.
Our father, that night, or got the idea to take his place from someone who was.
Be so sure. You were 4.
The only person who knew Reddington was dead was in that house that night.
킨은 지금껏 자신이 조사해온 정보를 제니퍼에게 공유합니다.
Payback's a bitch, especially when there's two of them.
그렇게 킨과 제니퍼는 기억의 퍼즐을 맞춰 화재가 났던 집을 찾아냈고
This is where I killed our father.
If you killed our father, how come you didn't know Reddington was an imposter?
He had them removed.
You can do that.
When what he was doing was protecting himself so that I would never question who he really was.
그러던 중 그 당시 화재 사건 때 보안관이었던 주민을 만나는데
The night that house burned down.
Someone got burned that night. There might be a patient record.
Every hospital in a 20-mile radius.
그렇게 마을의 병원에서 환자들의 정보를 수집한 킨과 제니퍼.
But can you explain to me again why we can't just go to one person in the FBI?
We can't go to the bureau, not yet.
한편 한가롭게 뉴욕 거리를 누비고 있던 레딩턴에게
Excuse me, sir. Can I help you? Let me see some ID.
갑자기 경찰관들이 와서 신문을 시작하는데
You know, weapon?
And here I was hoping to surprise you. This is the most wanted man in America.
그렇게 경찰도 레딩턴도 그리고 보고 있는 나도 어이가 없는 이 상황에 당연히 FBI도 어이가 없어졌고
Clear about what our position would be if it did. In the event of Reddington's arrest, we disavow.
If you inform the U.S. attorney,
Nothing I can do about it.
결국 바로 손절 때리는 법무부.
Arrested international fugitive and traitor to the United States, Mr. Raymond Reddington, is held to account for all the pain and suffering inflicted on too many for too long.
They won't acknowledge the agreement.
레딩턴은 누군가의 고발로 자신이 잡혔다고 생각했죠.
Someone tipped them.
What makes you think that?
Whoever did this told the cops as little as possible.
Do you have any idea who it was?
That's what I need your help to find out.
So you can kill him?
Harold Cooper.
Hi.
한편 어느새 레딩턴 변호인이 되어버린 해럴드 쿠퍼.
The government entered into an immunity agreement with Reddington.
You want me to kick him? And I will prosecute him.
하지만 CR도 안 먹히는 회유책. 그렇게 레딩턴은 구치소에 가게 되고 그 시각
He asked me to find out who tipped off the police.
As long as he's free, we're never gonna find out the truth.
I can't imagine what he'll do if he ever finds out that it was me.
그렇게 며칠 뒤 형사 재판을 받게 되는 레딩턴.
You have been a federal fugitive, the FBI's #1 most wanted.
May we approach
Carefully.
my immunity agreement with the federal government?
Is there anything you can offer this court to support the existence of an immunity agreement?
그리하여 증인으로 FBI 부국장 해럴드가 나오게 되고
Currently an immunity agreement in place with this defendant. Yes or no?
Yes.
The courtroom has now been cleared to protect the defendant's role as accordance with the Classified Evidence Protection Act.
we made this deal for one reason, so you could help us find those criminals we never knew existed.
그렇게 해럴드 쿠퍼의 변호로 끝내 유리한 판정을 받게 되나 싶은 이때
To be clear, none of that would have happened without Mr. Reddington.
Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
The agreement stands.
Then he violated it.
Oh, please, violated it. How?
The gun.
이렇게 재판이 심하이 되면 안 되기에 총기 소지로 꼬투리를 잡는 심화 검사.
You walk around with a defaced firearm. You forfeited its protections.
조졌네. 결국 다음 재판까지 구치소가 아닌 교도소에서 지내게 된 레딩턴. 한편 레딩턴이 한창 곤란할 때
He's gonna get the immunity agreement upheld. It's only a matter of days before he's out.
제니퍼는 지인의 도움으로 레딩턴이 지금까지 몰래 숨겼었던 레딩턴의 입원 기록서를 찾아냈죠.
October 3rd, 1991.
The date Reddington was admitted.
Patient intake dates.
그러던 중 레딩턴과 비슷한 시기에 같은 병원에 입원했었던 환자의 정보를 알게 된 두 사람.
In December of 91, that's 2 months after Reddington would have been there.
Maybe that's close enough. They might have crossed paths.
그러나
That's when I recovered a Browning semi-automatic pistol from a holster in the small of his back.
그놈의 무전 연락 때문에 진짜 빼박으로 사형당할 위기에 처하자
For the gun possession at trial, that agreement will be nullified.
투철한 신고 정신을 가진 자에게 야마가 돌아버린 레딩턴.
I came as soon as I heard. The gun's been admitted. Throw out your immunity.
There's a recording of the person who tipped off the cops.
Have you heard it?
No. But I intend to. And when I do, I'll know who betrayed me.
그리하여 이제 레딩턴이 제대로 움직이려는 낌새가 보이자 레딩턴 병원 동기를 빨리 찾아야 된다는 압박감에
If I could get the task force to help us.
전담반의 일까지 구라를 치기 시작하는 킨.
Gerald Todd Klepper was a doctor in Newark who murdered 17 people.
그렇게 마침내 전담반의 수사 덕분에 수월하게 환자를 찾게 된 킨과 제니퍼였죠.
Hands where I can see him.
No, Kohler did a remarkable job of changing your appearance. He can't change your DNA. You and Reddington were patients at approximately the same time.
I never saw him. He never saw me.
그런데 이번엔 그에게서 뜻밖의 이야기를 듣게 되는데
If you didn't see him, who did?
A nurse, Marguerite Renard. Find her. You'll find out who Reddington was.
그리하여 무슨 게임 캐스트 마냥 또다시 간호사를 찾으러 간 킨과 제니퍼는 이곳에서 간호사를 납치하려는데
Get in. What is this? Where are you taking me? Drive.
그런데 그때 간호사가 왜 경호원이 있는 거죠? 결국 오히려 제니퍼가 납치당하는 상황이 왔고 레슬러에게 도움을 요청하는 킨.
So Reddington's not Reddington. He's
An imposter.
the truth is that Reddington's an imposter.
Yes, lied to me about who he really was. Remember Hans Kohler? Down Kohler's nurse. Were attacked by 2 armed guards, and Jennifer and the other ones in the back.
We'll find her.
그렇게 킨이 죽인 경호원의 지문으로 단서를 찾기 시작하는 킨과 레슬러.
Bureau file. He's a known associate of Marko Yankovic. Now you only have one move left.
Go to Reddington?
He's gonna want to help. Jennifer's his daughter.
결국 영코비치를 잡기 위해 레딩턴에게 자문하는 킨이었고
Jennifer was kidnapped by guards working for a man named Marko Yankovic.
What are you not telling me?
Nothing. That's all I know.
To find Yankovic, you'll have to start with one of his couriers. He's arriving later today in Dallas.
결국 범죄자들의 MBTI까지 꿰고 있을 법한 레딩턴의 정보력으로 영코비치의 마약 운반책을 잡아내는 데 성공한 킨과 레슬러였죠.
Yankovic, I need you to tell me where he is.
그래서 갑자기 자신의 일이 틀어지자 제니퍼에게 정보를 캐내려던 영코비치는
We're looking for information about Raymond Reddington. She was a nurse working for Hans Kohler.
Got the wrong lady. Stop lying to me!
결국 자신의 여자친구 르나르 간호사를 데려와 3자 대면을 시켰죠.
Did you ever work for Hans Kohler?
Yes.
The FBI did, which means they found me too.
I never spoke to Mr. Reddington, or the woman who arranged for him to have the procedure. Some Russian. I don't know her name.
The Katerina Rostova, who took Reddington to Dr. Kohler?
Alexandra!
Alexandra can't come to the phone right now.
그렇게 레슬러가 영코비치와 협상을 조금씩 시작할 때 갑자기 인질의 상태가 매우 안 좋아지기 시작합니다.
You're not carrying a child, you're carrying drugs?
그렇게 순산을 하나 싶었지만 결국 마약 과다 복용으로 사망하게 된 운반책이었죠.
We're gonna get him back.
You have Alexandra? The rest of my product?
그렇게 킨과 레슬러는 마약을 주는 척하면서 영코비치를 잡아내는 데 성공했고 마침내 제니퍼를 구한 킨은 그녀에게서
Arranged the surgery. She was there.
또다시 자신의 엄마의 이름을 듣게 됐죠.
But Renard does. She knows more than she's saying. You have to get her.
그렇게 킨과 레슬러는 뒤늦게 르나르의 집을 찾아가지만 그녀는 이미 사라진 상태였죠.
Too late.
그리고 르나르는 지금
I acquired the package. I'd do it myself if I could, but I can't, and it must be done. And is done.
한편 제니퍼는 이 사건 이후
We can do this.
I don't think I can do this.
트라우마가 생겨 더 이상 레딩턴 조사를 진행하지 못했고
And when it does, I'll find you.
며칠 뒤
Play it again.
I saw a man with a gun on West 4th near the Red Brown Tavern.
You have no proof it was Elizabeth. No, and I hope I'm wrong. Try to identify the person on the tape.
신고자를 찾기 위해 조사하기 시작한 덴베.
Don't know. Maybe. I ain't seen nobody on that phone the time I've been here.
Hey there. The Shafe?
I'm looking for a woman. She made a call from that payphone.
그렇게 조사에 난항이 생겼을 무렵 한 노숙자가 덴베를 찾아오게 되고
You the one been asking about that girl?
Did you see who made that call?
Yeah, I did it.
Is this the woman?
That's not her.
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm never gonna forget her face.
그렇게 킨이 시킨 게 아니란 걸 알아낸 덴베는 곧바로 레딩턴에게 가서 말했죠.
The person who made the 911 call. And? It was a homeless woman.
You showed her a photograph.
No.
The thought that she betrayed me. But she didn't.
No.
그러나 킨과 마주치자
I spoke to the woman who called the police. I realized she had spoken to Jennifer.
덴베는 속마음을 털어놓았죠.
You are his secret keeper. I'm asking you to be mine too.
한편 재판이 자신에게 불리하게 적용되자 탈옥을 계획하는 레딩턴.
You're not seriously thinking about breaking out?
Yes.
Is a bad idea.
It's a seedling of an idea.
Fonte, I have until tomorrow. Here's a honey-do list to do while I'm in court.
Maybe if you help him, he'll pull a few strings. Help you.
Oh, he's gonna do much more than that.
그런데 탈옥을 계획하고 갑자기 모든 혐의를 인정하는 레딩턴인데요.
I'll plead guilty on all counts.
That you are guilty of the crimes you intend to admit?
It is.
The maximum penalty is death by lethal injection. Are you aware of that?
I am.
I accept the defendant's plea to the indictment, guilty as charged.
그렇게 재판이 끝나고서 음흉한 계획을 세운 빡빡이는
Reddington, let's go. The warden's ready for you.
수감자들의 갈등 해결을 핑계로 소장실을 찾아가죠.
Two inmates will be Vontae Jones and Vega Montero.
Send up Vontae Jones and Vega Montero.
그리고 나서 레딩턴은
90 and...
I'm not so sure this is working out like you thought.
It'll work.
당당하게 교도소를 탈출하기 시작했죠. 그리고 그 시각 혐의를 인정한 레딩턴의 속내를 알기 위해 교도소에 방문한 킨.
Sign here.
What's that?
Then Liam 10 seconds out. Raymond, we must hurry.
그렇게 킨의 제대로 된 고춧가루 뿌리기로 완벽했던 탈옥 계획은 실패했고 결국 괘씸죄가 적용되어 빼박 사형 확정이 되어버린 레딩턴.
But under the laws of the United States, you have lost your right to live at all.
그렇게 시즌 6를 끝으로 블랙리스트는 마무리되나 싶었지만 헤럴드 부국장이 대통령실에 직접 찾아와 레딩턴의 사면을 요구합니다.
Mr. President, thank you for saving me.
Of course.
Mr. President, thanks to the work Reddington has done with our task force off the streets and thousands of lives have been spared. But if a stay gives Reddington the chance to once again prove his value, I'll happily ask for that.
그러나 완강한 대통령의 태도에
But I'm confident you can do that without the help of Mr. Reddington.
어쩔 수 없이 묵혀왔던 대형 떡밥을 푸는 레딩턴이었죠.
Germany's Federal Intelligence Service will be assassinated on U.S. soil. Information I'll gladly share as soon as the President grants me clemency and...
This conversation's over. I'll see what I can do.
결국 사형 시간은 다가오고 급히 또다시 대통령실을 방문하는 헤럴드 쿠퍼는 충격적인 소식을 전합니다.
Do you have any idea how this happened? Reddington knows who that is. Director Cooper, I don't think you understand the sensitivity of this matter.
바로 레딩턴 첩보대로 독일 연방정보부 수장이 암살을 당했다는 것.
If you call off the execution, we will find her assassin.
I've given you my answer on that.
그렇게 대통령이 똥꼬집을 부리자 초강수를 쓴 쿠퍼.
Inform my German counterparts that their compatriots' blood is on our hands. If you don't make that call in the next 60 seconds, I'll make good on it.
그렇게 쿠퍼의 도움으로 사형을 면한 레딩턴.
The president made the right call.
Harold, aren't you a sight for sore eyes?
그러나 48시간 내에 퀘스트를 완료해야 하는 조건이 있었네요.
Is 48 hours enough time to find the assassin?
Thank you, Harold. 48 hours is ample.
You have 48 hours. Starting now.
그렇게 전담반과 레딩턴은 암살범을 잡을 계획을 세우게 되고 생각보다 쉽게 암살범을 잡게 됐죠. 뭐야. 하지만 그때 약속은 약속인지라 면책을 받긴 하는 레딩턴이었죠.
The new immunity agreement is identical to the ill-advised one signed in September 2013. If any members of the task force are aware, they will be prosecuted as co-conspirators.
Shall we sign?
그리고 정부는 레딩턴이 탈옥한 걸로 쇼부를 보게 되죠.
Resulted in a stay of execution, has once again been placed on the FBI's most wanted list.
한편 레슬러는 킨에게 레딩턴의 진실을 들은 이후
So? Name's Virginia Lepetine.
레딩턴과 관련된 정보를 수집하고 있었는데
She was 22 when Katerina was born. We didn't find Katerina, but it's possible we found her mother.
카타리나의 어머니 집을 찾은 레슬러.
She told me she was from St. Petersburg, that she'd split with her husband in her 40s.
그런데 현재 이 집에 살고 있는 남자는 재혼한 남자였고 결국 카타리나에 대한 정보가 없었지만
She said it was the only photo she had of her daughter.
사진 한 장과 더불어 조금씩 단서를 추적하기 시작하는 레슬러였죠.
I see. Near the end, Virginia wrote her a letter.
Mailed it where?
Post office box, upstate New York.
Strictly?
That's right.
Donald Russler, we spoke on the phone about box 614.
Like you said, 13th. I printed the best image I could. That's the guy who picked it up.
그렇게 레슬러가 킨의 외할아버지까지 추적에 성공하는 동안 아직도 자신을 신고한 사람을 쫓는 레딩턴.
Someone betrayed me.
굉장히 빡친 레딩턴은 주변 사람들을 시작으로 피바람을 예고했고 그리고 이런 광기에 결국 덴베는
He won't stop looking. You must tell him, Elizabeth, because if you don't, I will.
그렇게 킨도 후달리긴 했는지 금방 결심을 했죠.
Sorry, I didn't hear you come in.
I did.
You showed her a photo of Elizabeth. You said she didn't.
She did recognize a photo of Jennifer.
You'd never betray me like that. That neither of you would.
But I don't anymore.
And why is that?
Because I came face to face with losing you.
I'm not sure I'll ever believe you again.
그렇게 킨이 고백한 이후 덴베 또한 레딩턴 곁을 떠나기로 결심하는데요.
Going somewhere?
My affairs are in order.
Our friendship was born of suffering, desperation. Our life together has been death-defying. You don't need my forgiveness.
But I can't forgive you.
I guess I don't understand.
I've followed your path long enough.
You found Reddington's father?
Katerina's. Look, all I have is a photo.
Can I see it?
Because that guy, he's a ghost.
Agent Keene.
Begin by saying hello to your granddaughter.
그렇게 외할아버지로부터 카타리나와 레딩턴의 과거를 듣게 되는 킨.
No, she wasn't safe.
Anton Belov? He was searching for her.
그리고 여기 주미 러시아 대사관에서 근무 중인 일리아는 누군가에게 호출을 받았고 호출받은 장소에서 카타리나를 만나게 됐죠.
Katerina was my protege, or so I thought.
킨의 외할아버지는 말합니다.
Reddington was an assignment.
진짜 킨의 아빠이자 진짜 레딩턴이었던 사람은
Ordered her to turn him, not to have his child.
KGB의 임무 때문에 카타리나가 접근한 거였는데
A cabal conspiring against Russia.
하필 이 때문에 카타리나의 이중첩자 신분이 드러나게 된 계기가 되었습니다.
The KGB knows I betrayed them. The cabal knows I had an affair with could destroy them.
결국 상황이 꼬여 카발과 KGB 모두에게 쫓기게 된 카타리나였고
We pledged our lives to each other.
When we were
And
six.
a promise is a promise.
결국 어릴 적부터 카타리나를 좋아했던 일리아의 도움으로 다시 고향으로 돌아가
What's happening? I'm in trouble. Because I'm a traitor.
자신이 유일하게 믿을 만한 곳으로 갔었죠.
She's going to see you in Moscow.
Повернись, медленно.
Papa, это я.
Катарина.
Which is why you have to go right now.
What makes you think I won't do the same thing to you?
그렇게 카타리나를 잡기 위해 온 KGB 요원들한테 거짓말을 하지만 일단 집부터 수색하는 KGB 요원들. 그러나 끝내 아빠까지 붙잡히게 되자 결국 모든 걸 포기하려는 이때 일리아의 등장.
It's been too long.
그렇게 일리아의 도움으로 KGB 소나기에서 벗어난 카타리나.
You can't stay here.
I have contingencies.
What contingencies?
An identity. Place to go.
You walked away from it all to protect your daughter. What did you do?
I got rid of the bodies of the country and I got into America.
하지만 카타리나를 포기하지 않는 카발은 도주된 걸로 처리한 레딩턴을 언론에 노출시켜 카타리나를 점점 옥죄어갔고
I love you so much. I love you, Masha.
Caterty.
결국 이러다가 나중에 킨까지 카발의 소나기에서 놀아날 거라 생각한 카타리나는
You said we'd figure a way out of this, and I have.
목숨을 끊으려 했지만 일리아의 설득으로 겨우 마음을 다잡는 카타리나였죠.
No one knows that Reddington's dead.
It would never work.
In time, they will think he is on the run.
Raymond is the only one who can access those accounts.
How much?
40 million. That Raymond would have to show up in person to access that money.
Becoming Reddington.
That would be impossible.
What if it's not?
He'd need doctors like Kohler.
Personal details about who Raymond was.
Someone who could change his face.
Not just once.
So why would you do that?
To protect you.
He'd need anecdotes to complete the story. Some true, grounded in reality, some invented.
Promise me one thing.
Anything.
그리하여 카타리나가 직접 만든
What sort of withdrawal will we be assisting with today?
If they get to me, if they take me, take care of Masha.
Like she was my own.
우리가 알고 있는 레딩턴이 탄생하게 되죠.
Yes, it worked.